To sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar, you will need to have a Google account and an Apple device with the Calendar app. The first step is to open the Google Calendar website and log into your account. Make sure you have the calendar you want to sync selected as the default calendar. Next, go to the Apple Calendar app on your device. Click on Calendar and then select Accounts. Click on Add Account and choose Other CalDave account. Enter your Google account information, including your email address and password. You will also need to enter the server address, which is google.com. Once you have entered the required information, click on Add and the Apple Calendar app will begin to sync with your Google Calendar. This may take a few minutes, depending on the number of events you have in your calendar. To ensure that the sync is working properly, go back to the Google Calendar website and create a new event. Then, go back to the Apple Calendar app and refresh the calendar. The new event should appear in the Apple Calendar app. This confirms that the sync is working correctly. It is also important to note that any changes you make to your calendar in either the Google Calendar website or the Apple Calendar app will be synced to the other platform. This means that you can access and manage your calendar from either platform, and the changes will be reflected in both. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to regularly check that the sync is working properly, especially after making changes to your calendar. You can do this by creating a new event in one platform and checking that it appears in the other platform. Additionally, make sure to keep your Google account and Apple device up to date, as this can affect the sync. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily sync your Google Calendar with Apple Calendar, allowing you to access and manage your calendar from multiple platforms. This can be especially useful if you use multiple devices or platforms, as it ensures that your calendar is always up to date and accessible.